Good day. Today will be a very short and sweet video. Someone asked me how to change the parking brake release button on a Mercedes W116. Okay, so I will show you the part and let's do it now. This is the part number that we will need. There are two types. There's one with the name on it, brake release, and some that are just plain black. Okay, the part number is A107 420 0095. In any case, I will put it on the video. Okay, so now let's fit it. As we see, mine is broken, so that's the right moment to change that part and make that video. So for that, to remove it, I will use a plier. As I've told you, it couldn't have been any simpler. All we need to do now is to screw it on it, and that will be done. Here we go, it's now fitted. Just make sure it's more or less horizontal, obviously, for the lettering, and that's it. Then later try if it works. Perfect. Okay, job done. That's it, my friends. As I told you, very quick, very easy. Okay, I will keep adding more videos as I come along. Okay, until then, see you in the next one.